Okay, welcome to part 4. The puzzle cube is complete. Hopefully yours is as well. Let's go ahead and move on. We're going to go to File, New, New. We've completed our parts. We've assembled them. Now we're on phase 3. We're going to put them on a drawing file and create some quick orthographics. Go ahead and start with a standard.idw. It's going to open up a file that looks like this. I call this sheet of paper a title block, even though the title block is referencing this area down here, which is where you're going to be able to put down some information. It's pretty self-explanatory, and if you want to fill that out, you can. Otherwise, we'll fill that out for another project. What we're going to do is go to Base, and you're going to have a screen like this pop up. I want you to search for one of your pieces. So I clicked on that magnifying glass, and I'm going to start with my blue piece. So I'm going to double click on that. And it should appear on your screen, really small compared to your paper mate possibly. So if it is small like that, I want you to change the scale of the object from a 1:1 to perhaps a 2:1. That's looking good. I want you to make sure that the object is shaded. So left click on that, and also make sure hidden lines are on. That's just going to show you those dashed lines, and make sure both of these are selected. Okay, I'm going to move this out of the way because it always gets in the way. I'm going to kind of grab this and move it back up here with the left click. And then I'm just going to go up, left click, go back there, go to the side, left click, and then go up here, left click, go to the center, right click, and then click OK. And if you do that in that sequence, you're going to create an orthographic, and not only that, you have an isometric in the corner, and everything is aligned perfectly with the other parts. So that's pretty cool. Typically in the world of orthographics, we also like to dimension things, and we haven't talked a lot about dimensioning, but this will be a good lesson too. Okay, so we need the bare minimum amount of dimensions to fully create this part, even though we assume that each of these are 1 inch. So to do that, and you'll have to think about this in terms of your puzzle cube, I want you to go to Annotate, Dimension, and then think about the dimensions that you'll need. So I need to know what the overall length is. So I'm going to click from, or the overall width, from this line to this line, and I'm going to go up, and I'm going to click once. And it's going to put down the dimension of 3. It's really hard to see, but we need that dimension. Okay, what other dimensions do we need? I guess I need, like, from here to here. I need to know that that would be 2. So I'm going to put that down there. And I guess I need to know that this would be 1. So something like that. So I have 3, 2, 1. Notice how nice that looks. That's a really nice way of setting the dimensions. Okay, what else do I need to know? I need to know the length of this. So from here to here. I need to know probably these two. So I have that, and I guess I need to know the length of a single block. So I'm going to use the length of a single block like that. Okay, so let me think. The only dimension I'm missing is the depth of the object. So I'm going to leave this one blank, although if you want to, you could do that. Or I could just click here, there, and hit OK. And now we've created the bare minimum amount of dimensions we need to fully create this part. We know the length of the part, we know the width of the part, we know the depth of the part. So with these dimensions, we can create this object every single time. Okay, so what I need you to do is for your 5 puzzle pieces, you need to create an orthographic for each of them. And once you've done that, for each of them, go File, Save, and then call it blue piece orthographic, and then hit save, and then move on to the next piece. So I'm going to do a few more pieces. When you've completed 1 piece or so, or 2 of yours, you can call me over and ask me if you have all the correct dimensions on it. And I'll take a quick look. I'll tell you if you have it all or if you're missing anything. And once you feel confident about it, then you can continue to move forward with those orthographics. Okay. I'll see you for part 5. Peace. Huh, yeah. Okay. So hopefully you're seeing the pattern. Okay. I'll see you later. Peace.